The other day, I came across a video of a guy making a custom metal pen. What made the video so interesting was the pen's bolt action mechanism. The design was simplistic but mechanically satisfying in a fidgety way. This is my best attempt to recreate his masterpiece. Originally, I didn't know I planned to make a video on this project, so I didn't think to record much of my first design, but here it is anyways, Mark 1. My effort to recreate the bolt action mechanism was a success, but aside from that, there was a lot that I didn't love about it. For starters, the resistance of the spring load was far too weak, resulting in the bolt not snapping all the way back up to the top when released. The pen body was also very flimsy. This is an inherent issue with 3D printed parts, as they are weak along the layers that they are printed. This resulted in several broken pens as they simply lacked enough lateral strength due to the orientation that they were printed in. Finally, I didn't like how small the thumb pad on the bolt was. One of the goals for this design was for the pen to have a mindless, fidgety feel to it, so this had to be changed. Alright, now let's hop back into CAD and take a look at what needs to be changed here. I redesigned the overall thickness of the pen to be much larger to help combat some of that unavoidable weakness mentioned before. I also increased the length of this bit right here. This will give the spring-loaded mechanism much more kick. Lastly, I beefed up the inside sliding mechanism to allow for a larger and more flush-looking thumb pad. This is the blueprint that I made for my pen, and this is what I'm going to use to follow throughout this short assembly montage. Here's the final design. It worked as intended, and I think I improved all the areas that I felt needed it. This was just a mini project I decided to work on to advance my knowledge in basic mechanical mechanisms, CAD design, and estimating tolerances. Leave a like if you enjoyed this shorter video, and thanks for watching.